So guys, in this video I'm just sharing you a simple method, pet video, how you can get easily by using AI. It's very simple and very easy to make like this type of video, and you don't have to copy from any Chinese app, anything from, like, you do not, that's not any copyright issue. Okay, so where you will get this type of video, it's very simple. Now View is a Google new update of video making, and if you have only free subscription in View, you can generate 3 video every day, which will be 8 seconds each video. And I will show you how to make just in a simply just writing a prompt, like make a real dog playing guitar. That's enough. If you pasted the simple prompt in the View 3, it will generate you with voice, with music, with background. Everything is free of cost. And the best thing is, if you have a good prompt setting, you can generate as cinematic look of video, like which is real. I am making 3 video in now here live. You can see, I will preview it and you will understand how actually it's easy to.
Oh my darling, you're so fine.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm exploring this incredible snowy wonderland. It's absolutely breathtaking out here.
So as you can see, the all 3 video is like a supernatural. And you know what, if you have a subscription like this and you can get this type of video every day from View, just you need a subscription, and the subscription is totally free, just using a method. Like, I have already uploaded a video, 1 year subscription View 3. Just follow the tutorial, just follow the how I make it, and it's already free of cost. Only you have to do 2 or 3 click to get the 1 year free subscription, and you can make your own USA based pet channel very easily. So guys, thank you. I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.